Hey guys, it's Katie Dowell with Raleigh Real Estate Law, and I'm here with my friend Melissa Dixon with the Dixon Law Firm out of Roanoke Rapids, and we're here to talk about what happy buyers do. So here's Melissa's tips for the top 3 things that you could do as a buyer to make sure you're happy at the end of the transaction. So what's your first one?
Well, the first thing you want to do when you're looking into buying houses, I know a lot of times you just get really excited, you want to go look for houses and jump right in, but when you're doing that, you really want to choose a realtor that is experienced and knowledgeable, that knows a lot about not only the housing market that you're in, but the process itself.
So number 1 would be pick a good real estate agent, right? Number 2, what's your second tip for happy buyers?
Second tip would be to read and understand your contract.
Yes.
If you don't understand any of the terms in the contract, ask your realtor or ask your closing attorney. Definitely choose a closing attorney that is highly recommended and understands,
like either one of us,
and understands the real estate process.
Yes.
Make sure that you understand what you've agreed to, setting your expectations as far as how long your closing is going to take. It's not a week-long process. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. There's a lot of things that have to happen before you get into that house. So that would be leading into the third tip, which would be make sure that you do all of your due diligence on the house that you have made an offer on. You want to get all of the inspections done. You want to have an actual home inspection where a licensed home inspector will go in and look at the house and make sure that the foundation is solid, that everything in the house is up to code, that everything in the house is the way that it's supposed to be, so that you're not spending tens of thousands of dollars after closing fixing things that could have been found before the closing date.
Because North Carolina is a buyer beware state.
Exactly.
So once you close, if you haven't done all of those inspections and done your due diligence, well, I'm gonna cuss and you can cut this out later. Tough for you. I mean, and that is what it is once you're all done, said and done. So you have to get them done on the front end. My favorite one is when they never do the home inspection, they don't get a survey, they don't get a radon inspection, and then after closing, you find out that your neighbor's house is in your backyard. And unfortunately, I couldn't have told you that as a closing attorney, right?
Exactly. A survey is so important, and a lot of times people don't want to spend that extra money to get a survey just to see where the boundary lines of the property are. But it's so important to do those types of inspections because, like you said, after closing, it's too late.
Yeah, it's too late.
You have to do your due diligence. So yeah, you want to get a good realtor, you want to read and understand your contract, and you want to do all of the inspections before closing so that you know exactly what the closing process is going to be like, and you want to know what you're buying because it's the most important purchase in a lot of people's lives. So you want to do all of those things so that your closing goes smoothly and you're happy on closing day and after.
Yeah, exactly. That was great tips, actually. Thank you, Melissa, for coming by. I really appreciate you talking to us today, and thank you guys for watching.
Thanks for having me.
Hey guys, it's Katie Dowell again with Raleigh Real Estate Law. I'm here with my friend Melissa Dixon with the Dixon Law Firm out of Roanoke Rapids, and we're here to talk to you about, I just called that rabbits. Roanoke Rapids. All right, got it. Let's try that one more time.
Do it again. All right.
Hey guys, it's Katie Dowell with Raleigh Real Estate Law.